Good morning! Shout out sa lahat ng mga bikers na nandito ngayon sa taas ng bundok papunta ng Marilaque. So ayan, kasama natin ang tropa ng Spyder Squad Team Spyder Philippines. Sorry, oh no. Sorry. Ayan, magra-ride lang kami dito sa taas for some discussion and breakfast ride. Oy, pakipitek. Chill ride. So mga nag-almusal pa yung mga photographers dito sa baba. Mamaya pa siguro akit yung mga yan. Ayan, kasama natin si Vince Motovlog, Dave Motovlog, Papa Mon Motovlog, Mama Sol Motovlog. Ayan. Hello. Shoutout sa'yo mga photographers. Chill ride lang kami eh. So see you guys sa BNK mamaya no. So tingnan natin kung ano mapapag-usapan at ayan. This is actually another meet and greet for this year of Team Spyder Philippines, especially sa Spyder Squad Ph na mga samahan ng vlogger ng Team Spyder Philippines. So maraming salamat din pala sa Spyder Philippines for giving us the opportunity na maging part ng inyong community. Ayan, so mga katoto, abang-abang sa ating mga darating na event, exciting announcement. One of the exciting announcement ay babanggitin natin soon. So hopefully within this quarter meron tayong masayang gagawin.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep 'em out your face, no way.